Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to sync photos on Android with a Gmail account. Open Settings, tap Accounts, and add your Gmail account if needed. Next, install and open Google Photos, sign in, and enable backup and sync in the app settings. Choose upload size and toggle backup device folders you want synced. Finally, set backup over Wi-Fi only if you prefer to save mobile data and confirm sync is active. Start by opening Google Photos and tapping your profile icon to reach settings. Tap Backup and Sync and switch it on to begin automatic uploads of new photos. Review the upload size option to pick original or storage saver, and enable backup device folders to include screenshots or downloads. If privacy matters, check which account is selected, and use Pause or Remove Account if you need to stop syncing temporarily. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because they keep sauces sealed and lunches tidy, which pairs well with freeing up time from photo backups. They stack neatly and are microwave safe for easy reheats. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If photos are not syncing, start by checking Google account storage and local device space. Confirm background data is allowed, and battery optimization does not restrict Google Photos from running. Try toggling backup and sync off then on, clear the app cache, or sign out and back into your Gmail account to refresh permissions. For stubborn issues, remove and re-add your Gmail account in settings to reset account sync settings and trigger a fresh backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.